biggest pet peeves is people saying that, oh, I need to lose a certain amount of weight by this date or make a certain amount of money by this date. And don't get me wrong, I'm just as ambitious and goal-oriented and driven as the next guy. The problem I have with these statements is that it's very result-based, and this mentality can be downright ineffective and impractical. Let's take exercise for instance. Sure, your ultimate goal is to lose the fat, gain the muscles, be slimmer, be more fit, yada yada yada. But already you're coming to this fitness journey with such expectation and so little understanding about what's ahead of you, so little understanding about how your body works, how nutrition works, how the gym equipment works. You haven't even gotten comfortable with being around in the gym regularly. If on top of this, at this initial stage, you're still thinking about, oh, I gotta lose that 15 pounds, I gotta have my bikini body ready by the summer, then any slight deviation from your goal or any stagnation during your progress is gonna throw you off. Setting an arbitrary goal like losing 15 pounds, making 100K a year, without understanding the significant stamina and sacrifices behind that number makes the most disciplined among us feel like a failure every day. As we all know, you can never be satisfied and make progress if you're always looking for that instant gratification, because it over time kills your morale and makes you desperate and inevitably forces you to give up prematurely. And it's not because people are lazy. What they struggle with and should be doing is setting up a system, setting up a lifestyle, a routine, and creating realistic expectations daily, monthly, weekly, yearly. So instead of saying, oh, I gotta lose this amount of weight, try saying, I gotta put in the hours today, I gotta put in the reps today, I gotta walk around the gym and make myself feel comfortable and get to know how each equipment works. Maybe get some personal trainer to help you and give you a tour. Or just go for a walk for 5 minutes a day and keep that consistency going. Let your actions take you to where you deserve to be, where you're qualified to be, and eventually where you wanna be, which still, you're not entitled to. But you best believe that when you show up every day, when you improve on your skills, when you up your resistance every day, when you up your stamina every day, the results will come. And it might even surpass your expectation. So get busy doing what you're supposed to do and quit obsessing over random arbitrary goals so that you can look good in front of everybody.